Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Amy and today we're doing a playroom clean with me or clean with us because this is going to be my entire family cleaning the playroom. As you can see, it's a disaster right now. We have kids over at our house all the time, so they like to just pull everything out, and usually at night we try to pick up, but the last few days we have kind of slacked on that. So we are just going to be cleaning up this room and moving the furniture around a little bit to make it work better for this space. In just a few weeks, I do plan to use the KonMari method on this room and even paint some of the furniture to make it look better. So make sure that you come back and check that out in a few weeks. I decided to do this in super fast forward motion so that you guys could see how much we got done and save you guys a little bit of time. If you are new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and check out some of our other videos. I do lots of cleaning, hauls, organization, things like that. Also, in the comments below, if you have any tips or tricks for keeping the kids' playrooms organized, I would love to hear your ideas because, like I said, we're going to be doing some KonMari on this room and getting it super clean and organized, and I would love it if my kids could actually maintain that after we do that. So I'd love to hear your advice in the comments. All right, I hope you enjoy, and I'm gonna just let you guys watch.
Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever, 'cause I'm up for anything like that. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the streets, every freak out singing like. You're told, but I don't mind even though I lose control. Oh, I just wanna have a good time, so call me whenever, 'cause a night like this, it never gets old. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the streets, every freak out singing like. yeah, yeah.